Hi everybody. I have spent a lot of time over break reading and commenting on the parts of your essay that you turned in so far. That's the graphic organizer for brainstorming, the thesis statement sheet, and then the draft of your introductory paragraph on No Red Ink. So I want to take a minute to make sure you understand how to read the comments that I've left you, because I did leave very many for things that you need to change or fix before we move into writing your body paragraphs. So I'm going to show you on this sample class in which I am both the teacher and the student. This crazy thing with one eye is me as the teacher. So this is from the student view. So you're going to go into our class and you can look in classwork and you can see things that are graded. So you'll pick whichever assignment it is that you want to look at. And I can see here what grade I got on it. I can see a private comment, and then the work is attached here. So one way that I put comments on things is to put private comments like this, right? So this student knows they didn't follow the directions, but that they can fix the errors and resubmit it for a better grade. So I might want to then think, okay, what did I not do correctly? So I'll open up the document itself. And when I do that, I can see that my teacher has left me comments on each of my answers telling me what the problem is. So the directions were to answer questions in complete sentences, and I did not do that here, right? Blue is not a complete sentence, and my teacher has told me that. Why is it my favorite color? Because it reminds me of the ocean. That's also not a complete sentence. And now she's telling me why. I need to have a subject and a verb. And then for the last one, I have a blue car, and she's telling me, yes, that is correct. So one thing that I can do is fix it. So there, now I've made that a complete sentence. So I can click that check mark and it will get rid of that comment. Now I know I've fixed what it is. And here, neither is this. You need a subject and a verb, so I will do the same thing to this. And I can click the check mark to dismiss that comment. And then the last one, I have a blue car. This one is correct, right? If I click on the comment, I can answer back to the teacher. So now I know that I've corrected the stuff that was wrong. So I can come back over here. I can private comment back to her. And then I can resubmit my work. So that is how you will find comments on the two documents that we had. So the first one is the brainstorming graphic organizer, and the second one is the thesis statement document.